This Tesla Model 3 is turned into a convertible. What do you think? Dope or nope? Let me know, friends. This is Armen Haryan from torquenews.com. A company specializing in convertible conversions tackled the Tesla Model 3 and turned the electric car into a convertible. Dope or nope? There is currently no factory-made all-electric convertible car in the world, but there are a few aftermarket options. Newport Convertible Engineering was the first company to modify a Tesla Model S into a convertible, and now years later, they have done it again, this time with a Tesla Model 3. Cutting a roof off always comes with a set of problems and worries about structural integrity, but Newport Convertible Engineering claims to have reinforced the Model 3 for its modifications. They told Motor Trends that the soft-top Model 3 looks a bit odd, but hey, that's the price of non-conformity. NCE claims its conversion includes additional body bracing to maintain rigidity, the newly leadless Tesla's rigidity. A basket handle roll hoop is fitted as well, adding both some structural integrity and an extra dose of awkwardness to the Model 3's profile. The top NCE installs also lacks elan, thanks to its boxy form, decidedly out of sync with the Model 3's rounded styling when raised and its bustle butt look when lowered. Similar to the old Volkswagen Beetle convertible and the current Jeep Wrangler, the Tesla's top folds back into a crumbled pile of roof boughs and cloth material after the rear seats, as opposed to neatly stowing itself in a recessed cubby that's covered by a tonneau. Here are a few pictures, as you can see as I'm reporting, of Newport Convertible Engineering's Tesla Model 3 convertible. It's not cheap, by the way. The company is asking $29,500 for the soft top convertible and almost $40,000, more precisely $39,500 for a power folding top. Of course, that's on top of the price of Model 3, and therefore it would be hard to get away with a convertible Tesla Model 3 for less than $90,000. Is it worth it? Does it worth it to pay $90,000 for a convertible Model 3, Tesla Model 3? In my opinion, it's not. It's just too much money for a convertible Model 3. And what is the point? If you want Model 3 car, go and get one for less price. But if you're just going to have a Tesla Model 3 convertible and go and brag about it and boast about it to show off, it's not a good thing. Show off and bragging is not for me. But what about the look? Do you like it or no? I personally kind of like it. It's not bad. It looks a little bit like a buggy, little bit, not much, but it's not bad. There are some people who think it's not that good. For example, Electrex Tex is that as Electrek thinks it simply doesn't look good. There is no getting around it. It wasn't made to be a convertible, and it shows. Yes, Tesla Model 3 wasn't made to be a convertible. It doesn't look too bad when the top is down, I agree, but with the top on, it looks like something is wrong. But some people don't care about that and prefer to be able to drive electric with an open top. If that's the way you want it, it's probably one of your only options out there. It's a very, very expensive options. It's not worth it, the money. $90,000 for a Tesla Model 3 convertible. I've driven several convertibles in my life, and I didn't like it. Sun hits to your eyes, and also there is a lot of dust in your car when you drive. Every time you're out of the car, and then you come to the car, as you see, there is a lot of dust on the seats. So, and then you have to clean it all the time. That's not for me. So, but I wanted to report this and share this with you and see what you think, friends. Let me know in the comment section, please, and I'll see you in our next report, which is coming later today. I have a very interesting report about Tesla Battery Day, so look forward to that. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel, join our community, stay safe, friends, take good care of each other, and I'll see you in our next report. God bless you, everyone. See you soon.